Welcome to Roland's Adventure Kids Takeover. Today we are going to try fixing this Ford Raptor RC car. And the back gear to make this thing drive is broken. So we have the part right here, but we're going to show you how to hopefully put it back together. We don't know what we're doing, but we may have to watch a few YouTube videos. But let's get started. We're going to take, this is the gear to make this thing go vroom vroom. And then this gear right here, which is this guy, is broken. It's shredded pretty much. So what we're going to do, we're going to undo this guy, take that guy off, and then take this big gear out. So then we can put this new gear in. And then we can hopefully mount this back on. So this piece has a little thing that you use with a little Allen wrench, which we have. And that's this piece. That black piece is a tiny screw that screws into that gear to tighten the gear to the motor. So what we figured out is that there are two screws, 1, 2, and then if you flip it over, there is going to be 1 and 2. And we already unscrewed those, so this should just pop out. I guess is called the spur gear. So this should be the thing that comes out, pops out. And I don't know what I'm supposed to do here because we only have this part. We don't have all these metal gear and stuff. So we are going to figure that out. Here's a picture of your spur gear setup so you can put it back together correctly. So what we figured out is that this gear that I showed you before will not fit because as you can see, it is kind of out. This one is completely flat on pretty much both sides. We have the part. Dad just got it today. So we're going to put that on and put it on just how we had it before. Do we have that, the little, yeah, wrenchy. I need that wrenchy. You got it? If we haven't said it before, we are replacing the spur gear. Looks like that. 54 teeth. The Ford Raptor is unveiling itself. Is it on?
Nope.
Huh?
Oh.
I'm gonna turn it on.
Nope.
That's actually
Tell me
good.
when you're ready.
Nope, it's not. I don't know
Ready?
if this has batteries.
Ready? It does.
Yeah, it does.
Hit it.
So, for the second time, we are putting the gear in. This is the gear from before. It was just like the first time. Now, we're back at it. We figured out, so this screw had a little, like, long, here, I'll show you if we can find it. Right here. Okay. This screw had this piece, which stopped us from, it put it in too tight, the motor, so it just shredded the gear, as you can see. But now, we figured it out. The guy that we watched said that you don't need that. That's what these washers are for. And you can just screw it in, and it's supposed to be adjustable. With this thing, it was not adjustable. So I just screwed it in as tight as I can, and it literally bent it. So we're going to try it without this.
Moment of truth.
Hey, give me a sec.
It's finishing touch. Stunt master. Oh gosh. How's it work? Oh great. Dude, rear bumper blown, dude. We need a new one.
Be careful.
Gentle. Yeah? Let him touch it, let him touch it. Nice.
Oh, it's not going to make it up. The front is too big. What are you doing?
four-wheel drive?
Yeah. It should be.
Holy Toledo. I don't know.
Oh my gosh!
Thanks for joining us on this awesome adventure. If you liked it, don't forget to check out Kids Takeover playlist and click subscribe. See ya!